Cool. We just landed in Phuket, and then it gives you like the rates that you should pay for the transportation. Taxi meter, taxi service, minibus. Oh, that's cool. You could pay for the. But I think we I downloaded Grab, and I also downloaded like the Uber version of. It's called Bolt. So let's see if limousine, car rental, bus, taxi meter, meeting point. All right, so I just ordered it. We're outside of Phuket International. The rates for the taxis was 800 bucks, but this one is 658. I did add my credit card. For some odd reason it wasn't letting me choose credit card, so we had to pay in cash. We do have the cash, so but it's gonna be 658 for us too, instead of paying 800. And it tells you, I guess, the make, model, the name of the driver, the photo. It's called Bolt. If I do find a referral code, I'll add it on this video. But it's called Bolt, and then we used Grab in Singapore. He just texted me, I can't get it. Alright, so the driver is telling me that he can't, I guess he can't come this way. So I'm asking him if he wants me to walk over to him. He said yeah. And you can see whatever he typed, and it automatically translated, so it's awesome. So the police officer told me actually that bolts don't go inside, and so you have to walk outside through the parking lot and over here, and then you're gonna meet the driver.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, 3219. So I can't read his name, just the last two numbers. Yeah, 3219. That was cool. Yeah, so you meet him out in the street. You have to get out of the airport. Is it you? So from the airport, we are going to Patong, and it's just I mean, I think when we weren't in the town or passing each town, there was like 2 lanes to go and 2 lanes to come. But there are like little restaurants, shacks, little vendors on the side of the road. Like, this is like an Asian Mexico, you know. It's awesome. So we're in Phuket, actually Patong, right, which is like an hour away from the airport, because it's a small road. But anyway, we got greeted by a military of mosquitoes. And as soon as we walked in, we've been here for less than an hour, and this is the kill count. There's like 12 here for me, and then Luke has like 7, 8 mosquitoes. I have more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Shit, I have 17, bro. And you have 11. Wow. And there's still, like, we saw a few of them still here chilling. First day. So wish us luck, and buy some bug spray when you come. So Patong Beach is over there. Hotel is over there. And then I see lights. We're walking more towards oh shit, look at that. Indoor surfing. What is that one famous street we're going to?
Bangla Road.
Bangla Road. Yeah. You're gonna get bombarded by ladies. Wish us luck. There it is. There it is. Oh, let's play real or fake. Yes, sir.
That's a nice camera.
Oh, thank you.
Easy. Where are you from? United States?
Mexico. You want to walk all the way down? I'm just gonna keep rolling. I think let me know if you see the ping pong fucking people. Oh, I see 23 right there. Hold on. I don't like people walking behind me. Let me remind everybody that today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Not Friday, not Saturday, not Monday, not Tuesday. Full moon party is on Friday, May 5th. But do you wanna? So the point of this game is whoever hits the nail most in, but you have to use the thinner edge of the hammer. Oh, it's like you see like the big Connect Fours, you see the big Jenga, but this is totally awesome. I've never seen this. Oh, Thailand chips, Lay's, 2-in-1. Hey, that's fucking interesting. That they should do 2 flavors in one. I'm not even gonna guess what that is. Oh, charcoal grilled chicken and some tum flavor. That's cool. Oh, nori, seaweed. That's weird. Original, extra barbecue. That's cool. We do those triangular shapes though. Triangular shapes, and it's made with paper mache. Oh, yeah. So, and then there's a donut inside. The bottom piece has a wire. There's a donut inside made out of cloth, right? Because if you do it with toilet paper, it's gonna just burn quickly, and then the thing is gonna fall off the sky. So you drench the donut in diesel because it makes more smoke than gasoline. Oh yeah. And you have to keep it straight. It has to get filled with smoke first. You make a wish. Actually, in Mexico you don't make a wish.
One more.
In Mexico you don't make a wish, but you just release it. And then the gas, the diesel doesn't last that long. So there's kids like that, you know, they're poor, you know, the indigenous people. They get on their bikes and they chase it all over the town. And right when it's about to land, they blow it off to turn off the flame, and then they reuse it. So the owner's supposed to chase it and reuse it again. You could make a big one like that, or you could make them bigger. I've made one, I want to say like 15 times or 20 times bigger than that. And that was pretty big. That's the size of a big trash bag in America. We're in Phuket, and Phuket, and there's like people just chilling at the beach still. It's 2 in the morning. We left the party. The scene is over there. There's still people over there. It looks like Fremont Street. But there's people hanging out on the beach. There's people swimming over there, taking photos. That beautiful moon is hitting the water. Yeah, but this girl wanted to charge me $200 to buy a balloon that I could make at home. And also, I asked her, like, well, what's your lowest price, girl? She said $150. It's like